Hey y'all, it's me, CrysTeen. Y'all know I always give you real life, real skills, and real talk. So what's it going to be today? Ready to level up your money game? Today we're talking about something super important for every teen, opening your very own bank account. That's right, it's not just for grown adults. It's your first step towards financial independence, saving for that dream purchase, and learning to manage your money like a boss. First things first, your age. Generally, you can open an account with a parent or guardian around age 13. Some bank accounts even offer teen accounts up to age 18. Once you're 18, it's all on you, boo. Now for the paperwork. You'll need some form of ID like a school ID, a driver's permit, or your social security number, and sometimes proof of address like a utility bill. Choosing a bank can feel overwhelming. Do you want an online bank with no fees or a traditional bank with a physical branch that you can actually go into? Think about what features are most important to you. Okay, on to the application. You can head to a physical branch with your parent, or for most teen accounts, you can even apply online with their help. It's usually super straightforward. When you're filling out the forms, take your time. Double check your name, address, and especially your social security number. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Once your account is open, you'll usually make an initial deposit, sometime as little as just $5. It can be a small amount of cash that you've saved up or money from a part-time job. And just like that, you're officially a bank account holder. Soon after, your debit card will arrive in the mail. Make sure to activate it right away and choose a PIN number you'll remember, but no one can guess. This is your key to swiping securely. Now let's talk tech. Most banks have an amazing mobile app and online banking. You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, and even set up alerts right from your phone. It's so convenient. Safety first. Always remember, never share your PIN number. Be careful with public Wi-Fi when you're banking. And always keep an eye on your statements monthly. Your money's safe, but you got to be smart. Now that you have your account, let's talk budgeting. Track your income. Decide what you need to spend versus what you want to spend. And always set aside something for savings. Future you will thank you. And there you have it, besties. Everything you need to know to open your first bank account. You got this. This video is based on what I've learned so far and is for educational purposes only. If you still have questions or need help, ask a trusted adult or professional who knows this stuff well. This is not legal, financial, or professional advice. I'm learning just like you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Y'all know I always give you the real life, real skills, and real talk. Bye.